The objective of the film is to introduce Hyundai's new SUV called Venue in cinematic and dramatic way. Cinematic by personifying all the cars as if they had different characteristics. And we gave Venue a very youthful and bold personality. We also try to make a dramatic entrance by having Venue carried by a big cargo airplane and then land over the other cars in the runway and then exit that plane in a spectacular fashion.
One of the large aspects of it was the plane. We created different design to make sure that the color scheme of Hyundai and the plane itself will allow to have the word Venue on it.
Then once the aircraft's in the sky, I'm going to be, up there like 10,000 feet plus, flying around the clouds at sunset, and we're going to use the jet because the jet can push the camera lens at 450 miles an hour. So we can go very, very fast and we can actually overtake the plane.
The other very cool part of it was now created the environment for the Venue inside the plane, which was turning the cargo itself into this just gnarly LED nirvana.
So this is a super exciting project, but also very complex to organize because we've got this huge airplane landing chased by 9 Hyundai cars. We were shooting with 7 cameras all at the same time. We've got a helicopter camera, we've got a jet cam, we've got a camera car, we've got 2 cameras on 2 different vehicles, and we also have 2 more cameras on the airplane itself. We were shooting there, and it's like the plane is growing on the frame, and suddenly it's like filling up the frame, and it's like, where is this plane going? And I'm super excited, and it was fun. We were like laughing and on the radios, like, hey, this is super cool, let's do it again.
We wanted to make an homage to popular movies where hero enters a new town and has to prove his worth. So Venue stands before Hyundai SUV family and needs to be accepted into the family. Once he does prove himself worthy, he is then welcomed into the family.